So for today, we are graphing a line from an equation. So what is the equation of a line? It's y equals mx plus b. M stands for my slope, and b is my y-intercept. So thinking about it, slope, we've already talked about a bunch. A y-intercept, though, that is where on a graph your line crosses your y-axis. So where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay, so looking here, I want to find my y-intercept. So where does this line cross my y-axis? So this axis here. It looks like it's happening right here. So I'm going to say B, because that is my y-intercept, is going to be positive 3. My next one, same thing. So where does that line cross this axis? It looks like they're crossing right here. So I'm going to say B equals negative 2. Okay, go ahead and go on to the next page. So now what we have is a whole bunch of lines. We're still doing this, so let's just keep finding those y-intercepts. So for this one, it looks like it crosses right here. So B equals negative 4. Over here, it crosses right there. So B equals positive 3. The next one, it crosses right here. So B equals positive 4. And the next one, it crosses right here. So B equals negative 1. Okay, so now let's write the equation of a line. So I have a line. I need to know my slope. So very first thing, I want to figure out 2 points that I can use to find my slope. It looks like it crosses here and here. So my slope, it goes down by 2. It goes to the right 2. So that would be, down is negative. So that means we have negative 2 over 2. Or I can simplify that and just call it negative 1. Next part, B, where is my y-intercept? It crosses at negative 2. And last part, my equation, y equals, my m is negative 1, x plus b. So I'm just going to write negative 2. Okay, go ahead and go to the next page. Very first thing, let's find 2 points where it crosses right where these cross. So it looks like it crosses perfectly there. Nope, it misses a little bit right here. Misses a little bit right there. It looks like it's going to cross perfectly right here. So let's draw our triangle. It goes up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, and to the right 5. So my slope is rise 7, right 5. So 7 over 5. My y-intercept is that first point that I was looking at right here. So that is 3. So my equation is y equals 7/5 x plus 3. Go ahead and take a second, pause the video, try the next one, and then we're going to look at it all together. Okay, so looking at it, it crosses perfectly right here. No, doesn't cross there, not there, not there. Crosses right here. So I'm going to draw another triangle. It goes up by 8 and to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by 5. So my slope is up 8 over 5. So rise over run. My y-intercept is right at that very first point. So that's a negative 4. So my final equation is y equals 8 over 5x minus 4. Now, pretty easy day today. Go ahead and finish up your homework and then work on delta math.